Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's Casey Brand TV show. You know what you do. If not your first time here, make you try, make you subscribe, make you leave your hand for that notification bell for more videos and updates. Here now they pass information to our beautiful people so you go they inform of what they happen. So here we talk about migrant issues, document issues. We are bringing information to our people so that you would know updates. So it's very important for you to be updated of waiting this up for around, the website. So today let's talk about some, bonuses. Understand? And some kind of things will happen. Understand? Some days ago. So the bonuses when they receive before that is we already told the emergency, which everybody know that one. And I know now this December now they want cut am before. Understand? So we will finish inside this December. So from this January now, another law fit come out. So to renew the rental, the emergency, I never know if the government will still renew am because they are still talking about if they will still renew the bonus because as corona now does the high high. So as the vaccine don't come, they want to look at that the thing will still reduce, but people see the contact from the corona issue. People know say and for this feast time when they take do Christmas and New Year. Now red zone now just day people when they go work and people just lose their job. So the government are planning again if they will still go to open again this degree. Understand this degree of relator of emergency. So they will need to have meeting in their parliament and vote for it. So the concept pass out for law. So for now, it's under discussion. Understand? So people that have done before automatically they go free. Maybe your payment will be automatically they will pay you. People that have done before. So you need to go still apply if they approve am. So that's the discussion. They're still discussing about this related to the emergency. So and I know say it don't has the December now everything don't finish. So now January we dey now. So many people are thinking how they go still take carry on with this the expenses where they come. People need to pay house rent, bills, all this kind of thing because people still did lockdown. People just they stranded. Last time we pray for this year where everything still change. Understand? Last year was so hard for everybody, so we are praying for better change for this year. So the government say, okay, maybe they look how the things they go. If people feel return back to work, turn back to school, if everything fit function well, if the vaccine work well, so the vaccine they don't start to people don't start to take appointments to vaccine themselves. So if you do your mind, you can have your ask your doctor how to have the vaccine. Understand? It's not obligated, but if your mind carry say you want to based on your work, maybe you work for public, environment, so you can. It's important for you to vaccine yourself if if your mind carry, if you do one, but if your mind no carry, if it's still there like that. Understand? But prevention is better than cure. So another matter we see there is ready to the chittadinanza. People they receive ready to chittadinanza. If you know so you receive that citizenship income, make you know say now this January they want pay the last money. So they ask everybody who they receive that ready to the chittadinanza citizenship income. Make everybody need to go renew that is there because they need to see your new is there for them to continue to pay you. But if you don't bring that new is there, they will suspend the payment after this December. No, say December money and January now they go pay am. So after they don't pay the January, you need to do your ISE and present it to IMS. Understand? You need to present that new ISE to Patronato, make it submit and give him say see your new ISE. Maybe they know how they want to calculate, or if your ISE don't high or you don't still reduce, maybe they know how they want to do the payments. So who know submit the is the here is there this from from next month. Say put they carry a person for this month. Maybe you get appointment for next month, or they won't pay you for February, March. So you need to present your ISE. Understand? So if they pay you, if you do your ISE, the money they not pay for those months, they still pay you all of them once your ISE is available. So that be the update today. We can talk about this our sister way the mother for her bedroom. Understand? This one they pay everybody, they pay many citizens, understand? Because this our sister is from Ethiopia. She don't take for the countryside, person we go university for the countryside, understand? We can open our own business. They do agricultural things, they take off goats, they they produce cheese, goat cheese. Understand? So she gets her own store. From there na custom make employ one of our country brother wey go stay follow am dey work. based on the work not too easy. So just to help this our brother. So now this our brother dey follow am dey work for many years. Now this our brother now, we come hear say the guy murder the woman for inside her bedroom with hammer just because of salary issues. How salary go let person kill human being like yourself, person wey dey help you, person wey comot you for maybe you dey street now, understand? This woman just 40 years old, the person wey murder her na 32 years old. For Trento na something dey happen. Which kind of life is this? This woman still get life to live. The family now dey pain, and the citizens now dey vex. Sometimes the power dey see vex. Woman we don plan, say they say migrants who don come now, as the way come, we arrange herself, build her life well. Then another of your own, country person, maybe the African person come still now come kill am for a house, for you to dey protect the brother or sister. Now come see mother your own sister. If na the citizens do am now, everybody go dey power dey shout. Na resist o. Wetin dey wan call this one? Wetin dey wan call this one? Now, shakara just dey their own, and they dey use trouble come dey find am. Sabi dey one corner, they dey watch. You don dey watch, but maybe the video never enter, maybe the news never enter never enter a network. Maybe you go don dey hear am. You don see am already. You go see now, because of the law wey dey change now, to see them, they don start to dey murder themselves. They don dey start murdering, they don dey do nonsense, they don dey do wetin they no supposed to do. So why this kind thing go play? Understand? This kind thing na dey make them go dey fear. Even to carry person work now, they go dey fear. You go dey go commissioner, they go dey fear. But with that one person, they no go use am take rob the rest people. Good ones still dey. Salary, now this boy say they cry for salary, payments, and this woman dey pay am every month before. Just I don't know whether na 1 month no take pay am, or maybe small crash happen between two of them, or maybe get wetin he dey find from the woman no go give her. Maybe the anger na he come still do this one based on some kind news wey dey waka. Come on, see use hammer am for inside her bedroom. How they take know? Because they come dey call the woman for appointment wey she feast with somebody, so she no come show up. They call phone dey ring. Now the customer dey still go check on her. Now they go check and they see say a person dey ground for her bedroom. With the investigation, and the police now come go investigate the guy, come cram the guy wey dey live with her, because they know say that guy dey live with the woman. The woman give her house, so he go dey stay with her. Because na campaigner they dey stay. Then they find out that the guy now murder the woman based on salary issue. Your own sister will help you come up for street, give you work, then you can't still murder. Which kind of record you can't place for ground for your people now? So we need to see talk about all this kind of thing. Not be the one way they do what it was they bring come, but the one who still bring her come, who still talk am together. This kind of thing no good. No good. We need to love ourselves before outsiders go love us. Now what I like to tell people. Love ourselves. The way we dey come out now, when they talk to ourselves, they bring up to ourselves. It's not love we get for ourselves. But if we constantly murder ourselves for back, it's no good. When we love ourselves, they go respect us. But if love no dey between ourselves, no respect. If they do your brother anyhow for road now, you no go fit talk. If person they maltreat your own sister, you no go fit talk. Because you no love, the love that's our self-love. We no get am for each other. Money, salary, you murder your own person. If na your sister they murder like that, how you go feel? This guy will go murder a young country person. No be say now the woman from Ethiopia. They say na Ghana go knock am. Wow, it's not good. Person will help you, give you work, make they stay with am. Work easy. You get patient, no matter they pay you before. What a wicked word. I beg my brother, my sisters. We could try, we go make our hand clean. This kind of matter we play, so we pray, say, me the host calm. The guy now, he dey under police custody, he go serve with jail by himself. How many years this guy dey now? 32. They can't cut many years, give him, maybe they fit give him 30, 40 years. He go chop all and enjoy that he own age. He don't finish. He don't finish, the life don't finish. Now, old age, you want to find the money. The life is finished. Yeah. So, sometimes one of the reason people they put their hand for all those kind of hot things, they can't cramp you later. All the money they run for, they from the east, west, north, south, from different places they go, they just they find money, then they can't cramp you, put you for one place now, lock you for many years. Maybe that you don't you 30 from 40, you don't chop like 20, you can't come out for 50 years. You don't finish now life. The life, which work, which woman you want to come marry, come born your children, which money you want to find again, where your the energy you get, don't all of them weak. So what could they take on small, they pick on small anyhow. When people they do small, sure they build a house, they buy cars, they do well, they take care of their family. Oh, we use our brain. Sometimes our brothers and sisters don't like to take advice. No be I don't know, I still dey learn o, but the one we just still dey take the one wey go fit let us, dey live well. Understand? Me, I dey like to take advice wey dey help me for life. I dey go place, I dey like to dey follow platform wey dey make me, e go dey educate me. I no create this platform so I come dey, I like to help just bring our people together. They give the information. If anything they stop, I'm going to tell my people, see. So you go dey updated. So you no go make mistake. Not be everybody do this one. Understand? So we try not to make our life, the way we live our life, make it the day clear, way the day clear, because of your brothers and sisters will still come. Understand? So even yesterday, say I think they rescue some people for water. Just some wash night that's a New Year wash night. They rescue people for water. You see people try to come to this place, they still struggling to come. So far with the back home. They want us to come. Understand? So you will don't let the countryside make you live and well, make you just play your rules well. So that your brothers will come, your sister will come, they go, they go still respect them. So all those kind of things, they like to the hood or coup. All those kind of things, they like to if they go commission, they go give you negative, all those kind of things. Sometimes, let me say your story not enter based on sometimes you just still look within some people don't do they fear. You see they fear well. So we could play. We just play our rules well. That guy will do that thing, make a matter follow him. This new year, make way person no come use bad thing till they start this new year big and then we dey pray. That guy wey dey hold am well, he need to go serve the J, make he serve the J well. Na wetin use him hand find na carry. So my brother, my sisters, make our hands still dey clean. Any countryman we dey. So more news will be coming in because guess the kind of update to we just the flow, but we'll always understand the information very well about this the new law about these migrant issues. So the European now with the way they plan for the migrants. So so they draw map has they want to full on with the migrants this year with the talk. So the news that they come as small. So I will play the news, I will go read down, I will understand the news where I can come out to my people who will understand within the talk. So we need to know what they happen, understand more, know what will happen this year. So please share this video and like this video. So my brothers and sisters, we are here to learn and to educate one another. If you get any idea or any you want to add in this video, you can add, understand, comment. We're here to learn, understand. For this thing our brother do, I don't say no good, still comment when I still advise our brothers and sisters. So people say they put for this kind of drug level. Nobody say they don't know, say they do more, they know, but they will they leave you till the very good day where they want to cramp you, where you go expect they will come cramp the person. The day when you start to do that kind of thing, they know, but they all lock up, they look you. Till the day where the cup don't full, Now they can't find the person. Maybe say you don't know. They'll form so they see you. Camera is everywhere. Camera they everywhere. You know guy you want to do. See now you shall pass. They only see you. They see you, but they never get your time. So we need to let our hand be clean. If you know what you can call this life, this Europe, just use your hand. You build them well. Understand? It's your future. This is your future. This is your life. Nobody get your life for you. Now your life. So you do well based on your children, based on the family you want to form tomorrow. Understand? Maybe you can go form you never even born. You don't the point first kind they can cramp you tomorrow. You go spend the rest of your life for that prison, inside jail. Then you can come out for that old age, reason, more get sense, more reason. Beg. Me watch children not the children call their ask their mama say with papa. You see this is prison. No, not good. Understand? It's not a good record. So my sisters, stuff for today will bring new updates from tomorrow, next tomorrow. I want to bring this update about this new plans about the Europeans, what they plan for the migrant now. You need to know what's in the plans. I want to go understand that update where. Understand? So share this video and like this video and let people know about all this information so that they come here, because they cry themselves, that way they learn, they pick up some kind of things that will help us for life. Understand? Here they drop information. So my brother, start seeing my next video and happy new year once again. Stay blessed and stay safe. It's your brother, your friend, Kese Brand TV Show.